Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. Today, we're going to listen to a simple and fun conversation between two friends, Mia and Alex. This dialogue will help you improve your listening, speaking, and everyday English skills. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the conversation.
Hey, Alex, over here.
Hey Mia. Wow, it's so nice out today. The weather's perfect.
Yeah, finally after so many rainy days, it feels good to see the sun.
Totally. I almost forgot what sunlight looks like.
You're so dramatic. Anyway, how was your day?
Not bad. We had a long science class though. My brain's still tired.
Same here. English class was fun, but we had to do a surprise speaking test.
Oh really? How did it go?
It was okay. I talked about my favorite movie, but I got nervous halfway.
I get that. Speaking in English can be scary sometimes.
Yeah, but the teacher said I did well. She liked my pronunciation.
Nice. You're improving fast.
Thanks. What about you? How's your English practice going?
I've been watching short English videos every night, like 5 minutes before bed.
That's smart. I try to read English articles every morning.
Oh, that's cool. What kind of articles?
Mostly about travel and lifestyle. It helps me learn new words.
I should try that too. I want to improve my vocabulary.
You can start small, just a few lines every day.
True. Consistency is key, right?
Exactly. Even 10 minutes a day makes a big difference.
This park is such a good place to practice English. It's quiet and relaxing.
Yeah, I like the sound of the birds. It makes me calm.
Maybe we can meet here every week and practice English conversations.
That's a great idea. Like our own English Park Club.
Nice name. English Park Club. Members, just us.
For now, yes. But maybe others will join later.
We can bring our friends. The more we speak, the better we'll get.
Totally. And we can help each other with pronunciation and grammar.
Deal. By the way, what's your favorite English word?
Maybe sunshine. It always makes me smile.
That fits you. You're always cheerful.
Thanks. What about yours?
I like dream. It reminds me to never give up.
Oh, that's nice. I like that too.
So, what are your weekend plans?
I might go jogging here in the park and then meet my cousin.
Sounds relaxing. I'll probably just watch a movie, in English, of course.
Good idea. Practice while chilling.
Yep. English learning never stops.
True that. Okay, the sun's setting. We should head home soon.
Yeah. Let's meet here again next week, same time?
Deal. And next time I'll bring snacks.
Perfect. See you, Mia.
See you, Alex. Have a good evening.
Next, let's look at how to use these phrases in real situations. 1. After so many rainy days, it feels good to see the sun. Meaning, you say this when the weather has been bad for a long time, and finally the day becomes bright and sunny. 2. Speaking in English can be scary sometimes. Meaning, it shows that speaking English is not always easy and can make you nervous. 3. Consistency is key. Meaning, doing something a little bit every day is the best way to improve. 4. The more we speak, the better we'll get. Meaning, practice improves your skills, especially speaking. 5. Practice while chilling. Meaning, you can practice English even when you're relaxed or having fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, World Within Words. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. Share this video with your friends and practice English together. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.